Detoni Chinge, Minister wa Michetho ABABU NAMWAMBA augite na makite na kuthorua ni mwakire wa kibaro kia Michetho gia KINORU. ABABU NAMWAMBA akiari muthenya wa umuthi riria arathiete kuraitha wakio ariuga kuringana na mwakire umwake FIFA na CAF guti Michetho itikiiria kuthakirwa ku. ABABU ariuga kuringana na riboti agwatite kibaro giki nikiribetwe nkiragia mukandarathi wakio na akiari kuwa wega akiugaga anke niwe RCS atengetikiiria nontu gitiakitwe buku baterie. CS wa Michetho ABABU NAMWAMBA muthenya umuthi nariungirite kibaro gia KINORU kuraithiria kiwango kia waki wakio na nkinyagia kurika gwakio. Niba ameneretie banene na kuga narigarite ni muthondekere na nkinyagia murekerie wa kibaro giki.
Unequivocally disappointed. I'm disappointed by the quality of the finish of the works. I'm disappointed by the kind of tartan track that has been used here, which is already damaged.
Ariuga GIAKI na kiwango gitikia miandeguru na nkinyagia gitiumba kuthakirwo mubira nwa uriku. Ba akuga nyaki ire banditwe te MBECA na nkinyagia nthi itigananitwe wega untu gitingitumika.
This playing surface is not a FIFA standard surface, and CAF would not sanction any CAF FIFA standard football to be played on this surface. The surface is uneven. The grass is not of the required type. I've seen the irrigation system. It's a manual irrigation system which you have to struggle to operate. You have to switch off one part to run the next part.
Untu waku na nkoro ona nkoroki ne ati kibaro giki ni gitumirite milioni 900 iria kandarathi marebetwe.
Too many issues here. I'm actually surprised that this facility has been considered to be complete, because there are facets of this stadium which definitely would require some serious address for us to be able to consider it as a complete sporting facility. You know, when I was taking over this ministry a month ago, they were handing over reports that were handed to me. And in those reports, it's indicated that this stadium is completed. And all payments have been made. Incredible, really, that what you see here, this compound, has cost the government of Kenya over 915 million Kenya shillings.
Untu akuga ankethirwa CS ende enu ne angirungamirie mbia enu. Umane na riboti iria cionthe ikinyitio bicini yawe. Uga kaunga maori miako yonthe ya Michetho nikenda kuona mbia itumikite na mbia iria inkebatie bungwa gutumika bo.
So we will be deploying a team of valuers. We'll be deploying a team of valuers to come to KINORU Stadium to value the work that has been done here, to be able to determine whether indeed the work done here is worth the almost 1 billion shillings spent on this project.
Kirekeria na ugite ena kiroto gia kuona Harambee Star negukinya kiwango gia gikombe gia kimandeguru nikyo World Cup.
But realistically, if we roll out the kind of plans that we have in mind, I see no reason why Harambee Stars should not mix with the best at the 2030 World Cup.